Everybody, Brian, D&S Automotive. I'm here with Mac from DECKED USA. He's kind enough to bring us his demo, decked out with all the accessories. Option 1, take a look.
This is our 8-foot bed on a Silverado 2500. This one we have all kitted out. So we have our drawer system, our cargo glide, and actually our toolbox. We'll get it off started with our drawer system. Big, beautiful drawer system inside this truck. Got the extension on this one. This one, just so you guys know, is 200-pound payload per drawer, and in a full-size truck, you get 2 drawers, which is awesome. We have our new colorways here. We have our Ranger green, our orange, our cool gray, and then of course we have the divider, stuff like that, keep us all organized, keep all of our tools, be able to go from blue-collar weekday to the weekend, quick and easy. Can't talk about DECKED without talking about cargo glide. This guy, we're hauling all kind of stuff for shows and be able to help out our dealers. And this is our cargo glide 1,500-pound payload, 75% extension, mounted on top of our drawer system. Super cool and convenient, able to haul everything from pallets with concrete to your outdoor gear to we even have crossbar kits now to rig these things out to be able to haul anything you can mount to a crossbar. Item here is our toolbox, big heavy duty crossbody toolbox that you can integrate with our drawer system and cargo glide if you have an 8-foot bed, or you can use this unit by itself. This is Mac with DECKED here at D&S. Come check these guys out. If you have any questions, give them a call.
Well, thank Mac for coming out today, showing us his demo. These are all products you can find here at D&S Automotive. We do stock the toolbox and most of the drawers, and the extensions for the bed slide are next day. Give us a call when you get a chance, 440-946-2178. Thank you.